Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to host a domain in Google Cloud. You can see there I have already written an article. Read this article. I will put the link in the description. So first off, we are going to open the Cloud console of Google Cloud. Then you see there the navigation menu, three dot menu. Click there and click the marketplace. So search here WordPress and press enter. Going to open this one, WordPress certified by Bitnami and automatic. So just click here and now just click launch. So there is box, so we are going to name this virtual machine. Enter the name as you want. Use the machine type. I prefer to choose the micro one because this is cost effective. This one is a 5.13 per month. Click the deploy. Okay, it will take some time. There is some pending process we open later. So first we are going to click the navigation menu, VPC network. Okay, then click external IP address. After that, then you can see the IP address there. So we are going to change this address to static mode to your site. Okay, click the navigation menu, three-bar navigation menu, and go to the network service and the cloud DNS. Click there. Okay, now create the zone. So we are going to name it by the site. Now name the DNS name as your website domain name. Okay, and then click create. Okay, and just now copy the name server and open your domain dashboard where you purchase your domain. I have purchased from GoDaddy, so I have already opened it, my dashboard. Going to configure our domain name. So click the DNS. Okay, now we are going to change it. So click there, change. Now simply remove that and paste it. Okay, we have 4 name server, so copy it one by one and paste it. Okay, done. Then click save. Okay, now go to the cloud dashboard service. We are going to add our IP address. Okay, click the VPC network and external IP address. There is the external IP address. Copy it and return to the cloud DNS. And click the zone name we have already created. Now add record site. So first off, we are going to add the IP address. Okay, and create. Now we are going to add a CNAME address. Okay, that necessary CNAME, and put there www. Okay, and the canonical name. So we are going to put there our domain name. Okay, then click create. Now done is everything, and we are going to open our domain for testing. Okay, so copy. Yeah, we already set up our name server there. Now we are going to open our domain. Okay, just click just paste the domain name. Okay, so and enter. You can see our domain is opening. That means we have perfectly configured our domain. Thank you for watching this video.